Hi everyone, welcome to Mazri's Life Skills Corner. I want to show you how to fix your hoover if it stops working, and that will save you the call out fee and the cost of repairs. And first you get hold of your hoover and then you go straight to the plug and get your screwdriver and you open the fuse compartment cover. Yes, and then you pop out the fuse. What's the fuse? Yes, you change the fuse, but make sure you get the right specification and your hoover will start working again. Good. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you up another time.